In a far-off land, where the sun always shone, lived a special boy named Max. Max was unlike any other child, for he was a cyborg. Max had a heart that beat like a human, but he also had a powerful robot arm. He loved to explore the world with his new arm, lifting heavy rocks and climbing tall trees. One night, Max had a strange dream. In his dream, he was standing on a hill overlooking a beautiful city. The city was filled with other cyborgs, just like him, but they were all working together. Max walked through the city, and as he did, he noticed something unusual. All the cyborgs were happy, and they seemed to be enjoying each other's company. Max had never seen anything like this before. Suddenly, he came across a cyborg who was sitting alone on a bench. The cyborg looked sad, and Max felt a pang of sympathy. He sat down next to the cyborg and asked, "Why are you sad?" The cyborg looked at Max and said, "I wish I could feel emotions like humans do. I wish I could laugh and cry and feel love." Max thought for a moment and then said, "You know what? You can feel emotions. You just need to let them in." The cyborg looked at Max with surprise. "Really? How do I do that?" Max smiled. "Just let your heart guide you. Let the love you have for your friends and family fill you up. Let the joy of discovery fuel you. And let the sadness of loss teach you." The cyborg looked at Max with newfound hope. "Thank you, Max. I will try your advice." Max woke up from his dream, feeling inspired. He knew that he had been given a special gift, the ability to help others. He vowed to always be kind and understanding, and to help any cyborg in need. From that day on, Max was no longer just a cyborg. He was a friend, a helper, and a beacon of hope for all the other cyborgs in his world. And they all lived happily ever after.